This is the video to learn how to wrap text around image in PowerPoint. So insert the image or new slide. Now to wrap the text around image in PowerPoint, click on Insert tab and here click on Object and select in this list Microsoft Word document. Click on OK. Now insert your text. Click here anyway and insert this device, picture and this device. Select your picture. Now in the wrap text, select tight and you can now keep your picture anyway and double click anyway. So this is the way you can wrap text in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.